holistic shielding tips. And I'll be placing these on some of the social media. So look for these. These are various tips that assist you in guarding the brain, the vessel, at whole or in total, and your field while the world throws you curveballs. We'll just go right into AM re-entry, and these are in no particular order. So after re-energizing, perform 3 deep nasal breaths, then tongue scrape with preferably a copper tongue scraper. Sip a 6-ounce glass of warm water with a pinch of sea salt and actual lime juice or lemon juice. Then later, usually around 7 a.m., do 5 to 10 minutes of what I call sun facing, or face to the sun for 5 to 10 minutes. This sets your circadian rhythm again and alkalizes tissue and tells every cell you're preparing for sympathetic dominance mode and that you steer the vessel. So keep a micro pattern tracker, because you can use this as a string, say a string of 7 AMs or so-called mornings in a row. If you can do this, put this in your journal as a target and achieve it, and then note it as the pattern becomes a milestone for you. So in other words, after you've set that target for 7 days in a row of this particular pattern and you have reached it, place it into your journal as a milestone or pattern milestone. And there you have it.